Good morning DXN, it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna be cooking some very delicious soup. I have a product that I haven't tried so far. It is a vegetable soup from dehydrated vegetables. It is called DXN L Vegmix. As always, I like the packaging of the product. According to the instructions here, it says that it has to be cooked for about 20 minutes in 900 milliliters of water. Okay, so let's open the box and see what is inside. It says here that there are 10 sachets of DXN L Vegmix in this box. And now I'm going to be cooking because I'm very hungry. According to the instructions, 900 milliliters of water need to be added to the DXN L Vegmix. I'm very curious how the powder looks like, and it can be opened very easily here. Okay. Smells great. So I thought it was powder form, but here is what it looks like. So as you see, it's dehydrated. It contains tomato, leek, the long onion, dates and ginger. And it smells exotic. I won't add salt or any more spices to it. I'm curious how the soup tastes in its natural form. Okay, the soup is ready. I overcooked it a bit. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, everything is soft, so it's ready to eat. It looks very good, as if it was made from a fresh vegetable from the market. Well, I think this might be one serving, so this is enough for maybe for 2 people. Okay, so good appetite everyone. I'm very hungry. I don't like being watched while I eat, but I have to sacrifice myself for the sake of this product video. This is one of my favorite things in DXN business, making these product videos, because this is full of joy, eating and drinking. So let's enjoy the soup. Okay, I can't find any more words. My first impression is that it's exotic, and by exotic I mean that I live in Hungary, and we Hungarians use a lot of spices, especially paprika and pepper, and this is not according to Hungarian cuisine, but I like also Indian cuisine and all the cuisines in the world. I ate a date, I think, so this is a date. It might look like an onion, and these are, there is leek in it, and also ginger. I can't find the big piece of, yeah, here's the ginger, and the ginger has a very strong taste, so I try to combine all the ingredients, and the tomato, of course, and let's see what the taste, sorry, So I tasted all the ingredients in a spoon. This is better, but I think that it might need a little garlic, a little more onions. So I will, yeah, and parsley also. So I will experience with adding spices to it, but it's very good in itself. I think it's a good soup in itself, but I will turbo boost it with some more spices. And I have never eaten dates in a soup. So in Hungary we buy dates, these small brown fruits in packages, and we eat them. They are a bit dried, and we eat them as sweets. And it's a very new thing for me that I'm eating dates in soup. So it's exotic and it tastes good, but it needs more spices according to my taste, okay? So it's a very new experience for me, this soup. I can compare it to Morinzi. I have a bottle of Morinzi by accident on the table. At first I didn't really like the taste of Morinzi because I have never tasted such a thing as noni juice. But now it is one of my favorite drinks, and I could drink this all day long, 365 days a year. So this is definitely not the Hungarian cuisine, which is not very healthy, by the way. I don't really use salt, but maybe it needs some salt as well. I will bring some salt. I've changed my mind, I didn't bring salt, I brought my rice. I put onions and spices in this rice, and I'm gonna add it into the soup. You might think I'm crazy, especially Hungarian people. And as it has all the spices, it will boost the taste of DXN L, not veggie, Vegmix soup. I also like Hare Krishna food. I'm not a Hare Krishna believer. I just like most of their foods, and it resembles a bit now to that. Yeah, it's definitely better. Time for the next plate, and I will pour the soup on the rice. The second serving is more than the first. Okay, and before I start eating, I will summarize my thoughts and feelings about DXN L Vegmix. To us Hungarians, it might be just an additive, a healthy additive to our soups. I think we can add carrots, beans, peas, whatever, onions, garlic, and more spices to it, parsley. And we can experience, because it's an exotic soup, we also like to eat, pasta, so we can put pasta in it. So my first expression, according to my own taste, is this, that it has to be turbo boosted up with some more stuff. But maybe after the second or third sachet, I will change my mind, and maybe I will cook it with less water, and I will get accustomed to the taste like Morinzi. So at first Morinzi, I told you that it was strange. And I was tasting it, and the orgy of these tastes that Morinzi has is stunning. So at first I couldn't do anything about it. What is this that I'm drinking? It is so special. And maybe it is the same with L Vegmix, that after a few servings it will taste very good, because I will forget how I eat, how I cook my soup. Okay, so feel free to experience. Thank you for watching. Peace. Goodbye.